welcome back everybody. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps. So first of all, we go ahead and get our 500 grit sandpaper, put it onto our drill. Adapter piece here that it comes with. So now, pretty much, because I'm going to be doing this one-handed, so I'm just going to kind of show you somewhat of the routine of doing this. Right-handed here, so I'm going to go and get this. So pretty much all you do is just on the edge of this sanding paper piece. You don't go like this, not flat on there, because then it'll just kind of go and wobble everywhere. The way that it actually talks about is doing it pretty much at an angle. And then when you're doing it, pretty much you're going up and down, scraping up and down or side to side. No swirl marks, as it is, this thing is already spinning. So pretty much, get as close as possible to that. That's why you tape it double or triple times so you don't scratch into your paint. And on this portion, I just lift the hood, as you can tell. And so yeah, then you just pretty much just kind of start going up and down here, up and down. And then pretty much what it'll indicate on the instructions is that you're going to end up seeing a lot of the white or yellowing of the dust coming out. And then you just move up and down, just keep moving up and down. And then you're gonna actually see the whole headlight itself is gonna be all frosted white. So pretty much you want to keep doing a few passes on it up and down until it's all frosted white, and then actually you'll start to notice the dust. Like you'll dust it off with a rag, and then you'll start to notice that the dust isn't yellow anymore, and then it's actually turning white. So once you start seeing the white, more of a white dust, then you can go ahead and practically go ahead and change out the sanding pad. And then you can go ahead and start sanding with the 800 grit sandpaper, and then start working it, because it takes away this is more of a deeper scratch, I guess I should say. And then the 800 grit will take away that and then make it finer. And then when you do the 3000 grit, then it'll take away practically all the swirl and scratch marks from the sanding. And then you use a compound, and then bam. I mean, you can tell the difference from it being scratched up like that and then from the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with this, and then I'll show you guys the next step with the 800 grit.